Hey guys, good morning. How you doing? Tony here. We did have another um, breakout strategy win for BTU. It did not move the way that I wanted it to. I thought I was going to move a lot faster, but we actually ended up closing everything at a very small profit. I think we only made like 20 bucks, 30 bucks, a couple dollars. Um, Overall, I think the profit was like 10%, 20% on BTU. But again, everything, as long as we don't lose money, I still take it as a win. So far we are at 7 for 7. I think we played Pepsi, Costco, Nike, Apple, DocuSign. I forgot what other ones, right? But so far we are 7 for 7 with BTU, closing about a month later, in about 10-20%. So as long as we break even or make money, I consider it as win. If we lose money, that's an immediate loss. Um, so as of right now, the only ones that I'm actually left in for the breakout strategy are Shopify, which I'm currently down 50%, 51%, and I am in crowd, which I am down 47, 48% roughly. So for these two, for both of them, I think both of them expire closer to August 20th. I will be looking at closing both in a loss if next week they don't actually net me the actual results that I'm looking for. So I want them to move a lot more on the high side next week. So I'm definitely looking at maybe closing these before the last week of expiration for Shopify and for Crowd. But I think that's basically it. I don't think I have any breakout strategies open. The only one that I'm looking for today is, I think, in NVIDIA. The only one that I'm actually looking for is NVIDIA, which I don't think it's actually going to close on the weekly the way that I want it to. So I think for NVIDIA, I'm not going to play anything. But again, BTU did fantastic. Super happy that it came out at least in profit. And all we have left is really Shop and Crowd. And I will be looking for maybe something to play today by the end of the day. So we'll see what happens. But just wanted to give everybody an update. I'll see you guys later.